the ultimate touchless. Okay, you can do it now.
How do I get...
Printing receipt. Receipt is ready, and we got for wash for $13.99. Okay, everyone. Today we are doing an April 2019 revisit of the Shell station in Newmarket on Young Street near Mirlock Drive that has a Mark 7 ChoiceWash XT. Today we will be getting the ultimate touchless wash. Let's make this turn. I'm interested to see how it goes. Need to come in right. There we go. And this is a Mark 7 ChoiceWash XT. There we go. I'll park it. And what's the code? 92930. There we go. I'll go over there, make sure I adjust myself. Now, I guess I can park with a bit and make sure there's no cars coming. Nope. And let's take a look and see how the wash did. The car was extremely dirty before we went into the wash, so I'm interested to see how a touchless wash actually did. Okay, right here. And let's see how it did. It actually cleaned it. It cleaned all the dirt. It did a great job except for trying some of the sides. A little bit of soap on the back, but that's typical. I think there's way more soap than last time. And right here too. A lot of pink green stuff, so they cast for tri-foam. Back, blue, bumper, didn't do well. Tires, anyway. Let's go to the front to see how well it did, because it was really dirty at the front. And then cleaned it, except the tires right here. We cleaned the tires, stuff like that. So yeah. It did a great job except for here and the pink rafter for tri-foam. So yeah. This wash had done a really great job. In fact, that was probably the best marksman system I ever been through because it cleaned all the dirt. So anyways, I think that'll be it for me. I'm glad I was able to do a car wash video. It has been a while. So anyways, I think that'll be it for me. Thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that's really